Do a quick video going on vacation. Starting here in just a few minutes and do a quick video about what I'm taking on my bag while I go on vacation. My goal is to keep it as simple and as light as possible because we're going to be doing a lot of amusement parks and shopping and whatever girls like to do. That's what we're going to be doing while we're on vacation. So I don't know exactly what situation I'm going to be in. So I try to keep it as light and as versatile as possible so I can meet any situation that arises. Hopefully I'll have the right gear for the job. First, we'll start off with just the packet for my SD cards, AirPods. Everybody's got to have AirPods. Got cleaning cloths and cleaning wipes down here. And got the T5, Samsung T5 mobile SSD card. Also in this pocket, have my 15-inch MacBook Pro. I'm taking this instead of the iPad because I want to be able to download stuff to my mobile SSD when my SD cards fill up. And as of now, I'm not able to do that with my iPad. Hopefully when the new software or the new iOS comes out, I'll be able to do that. But as of right now, I can't. So I'm just going to take my computer instead of my iPad. Normally I just take my iPad, but not this time. And this little container right here, I have the DJI Pocket Osmo. And all I'm taking as far as accessories, even though I have a ton of them, I want to try to keep that down as light as possible. I'm taking the tripod cage or tripod mount and the controller wheel and this head mount. That's all I want to take, and hopefully that'll take up. I'm trying to keep that as light as possible. And I'm also taking the ND filters for this, but the accessories for this can get out of control real fast if you let it. Again, I try to boil it down to just what I actually need. And also I have batteries for my GoPro right there. Taking the old GoPro Hero 7 Black. Just a little tripod with the flexi legs. In the top of my bag is just chargers and stuff, not really of anything important. So, but I'm taking my iPad mini. Just if I want to watch any YouTube videos or have more of a mobile device in my computer, I want to take the iPad mini. As far as camera goes, I'm taking the Sony a6400 with the flip-up screen. I really debated about this for a long time between my a6400 and my a7 III, but I just decided that this would be the lightest setup that possible and could probably pretty much meet any needs that come up, video, photo, so on and so forth. And then I have my capture clip on there when I want to attach it to my backpack. So the main reason I'm taking this is because it's so much smaller than my a7 III and the lenses are so much smaller. Currently I have the Sigma 30mm prime lens on there. Rode Video Micro. But I probably will not use that at all because I have the Micro Go and it's just so much easier to use. In the front flap here, I have extra batteries for the a6400 and the ND filters for the Pocket Osmo. That's it for this side. This side over here, I have a camera strap. Go with the Peak. I have the Peak Design camera strap that uses the anchor points. Probably won't use that, but you got to have some photog cred when you go out into the world, so might as well keep that. Those on my camera. Manfrotto tripod, the easiest tripod ever. Pretty much so versatile, but how to use that. ND filters. I only have a few, but I want to make sure I bring them. Have the kit lens for the a6400, 16 to 50 millimeter. Everybody online raves about this lens. I'm not a huge fan. I decided I'd bring it just in case. Maybe I'll give it another shot. Sigma 16 millimeter 1.4 for the wide angle shots. Sigma 56 millimeter 1.4 if I want to do any super like portrait shots or anything. So I'm really just trying to do, basically I'm trying to cover all my bases with the prime lenses. I've never really done that before. I've always relied on my Tamron 28 to 75 millimeter with my A7 III. But this time, like I say, I want to try to keep it light and as simple as possible. So we're going to see how it goes. Never really try this setup on a travel before. And then it's just a battery charger. These are all just chargers and cables and stuff. Our quick video about my setup they're going to be using while I'm on vacation this week. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.